Hi, welcome again to this computer system. We have had, so if you didn't, my chair here makes noises. When you did an update with up all, which means you update everything in one go. Oh, I did not see that coming. I thought everything was up to date. So, if you do that, then you'll see that ArchIso is one of the newer packages. So it's already installed. I'm thinking, because I don't see the word ArchIso in there anywhere. So with a Ctrl-Alt-T, we type in RIP. And RIP gives us the very last installations. And in here somewhere I should find ArchIso. Of course, I can't make the video if ArchIso is not the last one. So let's just go look for it. So RIP, you can move up. It's not alphabetically or anything, it's time based. So the last thing you've installed. I've been playing around with an application called Silent. Have a look at it. But ArchIso is not in here, and it's not in here as well. So that's up to date already. Just making sure. So first, sudo pacman -s ArchIso. Which version is it? We got a new version in. Strange. So anyway, we get that done. ArchIso gonna need something to burn. I don't know why I put this one in, but it's to actually serve a little bit. Links. Next. HTTPS. Let's go to my own website. Has been a while. Nice website, right? Here's an overview, or how to navigate again. Arrow keys, up, down to move, right tab. Oh my god. So you'll see, oh, I've opened some kind of page. Downloading, saving, no, I don't know what it is. So that's a terminal browser. Not really into it. Had to use it once because of drivers. So I got information online from the black screen from the terminal TTY. So ArchIso should be new now. RIP. ArchIso 43-1. If I want to be really sure, we better be really sure, because otherwise my work is for nothing. You go to ArcoLinux ArchIso. So that's the application that we are going to use all the time to build our packages. So the last one is 43-1, and that's the one we have. And view the changes. So this was updated 19 hours ago, and that's the update package. So some new checksums, a valid package key, and that's it. But of course there is some new code in there, so we'll have to see and compare. All right, so it's installed. Whoops. Scrolling my scroll mouse here, scroll to make it bigger and smaller. What we do is go to File, System. We go to User, we go to Share, we go to ArchIso. This is the thing, what is it? This is the thing we need to work with. So Releng is the one that we work with. I'm gonna put it on my desktop. So that's maybe new. So we don't know, maybe new. In the website, on the website ArcoLinuxIso.com, we've created a new one. It's called, where are you? It's called Carli, and Carli is a new way of building an ISO from scratch. It's an explanation, a video, tutorials, articles, whatever we encounter, we build it up from always ArchIso. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually stop with a Carli 1 and actually add a new GitHub. So we know after every change, we should do that. After every change, we're going to make a new Carli 1 or Carli 2 or Carli 3. So we need to effectively make a new GitHub. Let me log in here first. Okay, so I'm logged in, my little icon up there. Carli 1, great, but copy paste, Ctrl C, new one, Carli 2. And then create, oh, sorry, it should be here, Carli 2. Create repository. Get this one, down, right mouse click, create, git clone, and then the whole enchilada. So this is my new Carli 2. So Carli 1, Carli 2. So basically control, well actually I can do this one, need that one as well. Okay, from here till here, Control C, Carli 2, Control V, right mouse click, first commit. Right, there we go. Again, a login. That's done. I pushed it to the net. Let's have a look. And we have here the first commit of 26 seconds ago. So what I'll do, because of this new ArchIso, the relang is new. These guys are all new, considering with the one that we have. So I'm gonna do the following. Super F5, launch melt, directory comparison. I have a way of working. Whatever comes to my left is not the original. It's not the one that's gonna be my file. This is somebody else's file, of an old version file, and this, the right one, is always going to be my one. So this one needs to be the new guy, Carli 2. So that's the new guy. That's where I wanna work at. And the information that's new is from the desktop, relang, and open. Okay, then we start comparing. So let's see. So the git ignore, that's okay. That's just for me managing things. And this is the one I'm interested in. What did they do with the packages? So what will they do with the packages? So we've created our own thing here, as you can see, but these are all hashtagged out. So the base should be somewhere, right? And the base development should be somewhere as well. So these two packages, what will they be doing with this one? So they've added that one. Yeah, correct. So this is a new one. diffutils is here. So diffutils can go there. gfutils is now here. Linux firmware, we figured that we needed that, and that's okay. So this, the right one, is what we figured after the change from the packaged group package that's called base. It's going to be a meta package now, and well, they have to do some changes for it. LVM2, I've not installed it. So the guys say, ArchLinux says this should go in there. And the mandb, we did that as well. We want that as well to have some manuals. So like man reflector, or man this or man that. So these two guys can go in there. mcadm, mdadm. Oh yeah, okay, sorry, mdadm. So that's okay. You can go here because you're included here. Nano is included at the top, but you can go alphabetically in the list. Net control out and net control in. Riser FS programs. I decided to delete this one, but let's get it back in. Let's follow 100% ArchLinux. Control Z. Riser FS procs. Okay, that must be something else that I thought about. So that's in. USB utils, want that as well. And there's VI. Well, I deleted VI, that's true. So VI and Vim minimal. I have my nano. That's enough for me. So regional set, that was that one. That's the original set. So we have XF procs. I did something with xfprox, so that's back in. So all these guys are no longer in the list of packages. So base and base development are officially not in here, nor are all these other guys. No, wait. This one we have. Let's see if we did some other things. Device, crypt setup. All these things are gone. All these things are gone. Let's see. Let's just work through the things here. So all of these are no longer available in the ArchIso we get. But I'm guessing we'll come across it, not all of them, but we'll come across them somewhere else, because we have not done comparing. So this guy, everything is now hashtagged out, so we'll just keep it in there and see what's gonna happen. But this is the exact copy of the ArchIso package from my desktop. So this one is actually 100% the same. Okay, don't want to see the same, want to see the difference. So let's see what's going on. Well, Carli, that's our thing, how to do this thing. Verbose is of course again our thing, so we're gonna keep this, and that's it basically. All right. Okay, so I'm wondering, where are we going to say that base development is going to be installed? Has to be somewhere. Base installation. Best thing is to just learn them and run the script. So this looks good to me. This is all hashtagged out, so that's exactly the same thing as the other one. So this is the one coming from the desktop. Check again. And this is the one in Carli 2. And the rest is not important. A bit surprised. Great. Doesn't matter. We learn every day. So basically we have this Releng thing here. Not interested in Releng. We can go. I am interested in ArcoLinux ISO, Carli 2. Control H. There's this build sh. There's a cleanup. Do I need to clean up? I don't. So that's okay. Build sh, but then it says, hey, you're not sudo. So you say sudo build sh. And everything is going to work. Let's try it out. So this is our Carli 2 first build. And you see immediately that base is in here there, so there's no need to set it. Now I suppose base development is not gonna be in there, I wonder. Linux should be seen somewhere in here. Not yet seeing it. Nope. Pacman is here. Systemd we have. Linux. The keyring, like I said in other videos, ArchLinux keyring is very important. So when you do updates and it's a while ago, first install ArchLinux keyring, the new one, then update. Bash is here. Here's your Pacman, mirror list, ArchLinux keyring, and Pacman. So rather important applications. And here we start with the AMD U code, and of course the Intel U code. Lot of stuff. Read. Check out what it does. Here's your kernel. No need to put in there somewhere Linux. I want Linux. Maybe if you want to have Linux LTS, yeah, you probably should. Or the package will not be installed. But we're working with the Linux kernel without any issues on 13 PCs. Let's hope that stays that way. So the Linux firmware, that's an important one. So the only wonder I have is the base development packages. Let's see, base development packages. Oh my god, all these things are open. So let's delete everything else, close other tabs. So ArchLinux base development dual package. So all these guys, let's put them on the side here to my right screen. Do we find AutoConf? Is that going to be installed? Do we find AutoMake? Is that going to be installed? Or is that something we should do later on? Because I kind of like everything being available already to build some stuff. We'll see. Might have missed them. There's so much to read, right? Bind tools. It should be, yeah, I see in base development, I just noticed that Pacman is part of base development. So, I think that's installed, Pacman. So, I wonder where the code is in, where the code is or where it actually triggers to get base development in. We'll figure it out later. Not that important. As long as it works, we're just fine. At some point in time, we'll find it. How is it going, my friend? Mount Fate, operation not permitted. Typical thing that you need to reboot, Eric. You've done an update, you need to reboot. So, if you see this, guys, it's in the video. It's great, operational permitted. It's not a failure, it's you being stupid. Well, it's me being stupid. So I need to reboot and I'll be back. So the video will be cut into 2 pieces.